Hey guys, welcome back to another Cooking with Shpeederman. Today we're going to do some slow cooker pot roast. I think this one can also be called Mississippi pot roast. So what I've got here is a nice good size chuck roast, and we're going to kind of sear it in this nice hot skillet. That's all we got to do. Sure. Grab this bad boy, throw it in here to get a nice brown coating on it. I'm going to let it sizzle for a few minutes on each side. Get some nice, a little bit more color on there. This is something great to throw in, and I think actually when it's finally done it should be so tender that it flakes apart, so you could shred it in the juice that it leaves behind, or like traditional pot roast you can slice it and it should really be fork tender, just fall right apart. Let's see if we're getting any color here. Alright, flip it, get the other side brown just a little bit. Alright, now that you got the roast browned on both sides, we gotta pick this bad boy up. If you can pick it up, and get it into the crock pot. There, nice color to it. Now, all you gotta do is dry ranch mix. This is actually measures out as 1 ounce. You can buy it as 1 packet. I happen to have the shaker tub of it, so I measured out 1 ounce. Just sprinkle it all on top, nice and evenly. There. And also 1 package of onion soup mix. Same thing. Sprinkle it all on top. And then a whole jar of pepperoncini. Now I've drained almost all the juice out of it. There's a small amount left. You don't want to add too much fluid. You don't have to add any of it, but add 1 jar of the peppers. I'm going to put the juice in too, just to give it a little extra flavor. If you can get the peppers out. Just kind of evenly spread them. I usually like to put them on the outer edge, but however it works. Minor distraction. So with everything in the crock pot, turn it on low for at least 8 hours, or if you are going to run like 6 hours or a little bit less, put it on high and let it chug and sit and marinate and cook on its own for a while. We will check back on this. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. This has been in for just about 7 hours. A little steamy. As you can see, it's cooked down quite a bit, shrunk. All these stems and these peppers will pop right off. Here's the meat in all its glory and juice. Now it should be pretty, yeah, it's done. It's going to fall right apart. So at this point, what you can do, you can skim off any of a lot of the extra fat or whatever, but there is a lot of juice underneath that's really good if you want to like mashed potatoes or rice. you name it. You pull this whole piece of meat out, let it chill just for a second, 5-10 minutes to rest. Slice it, or take and pull this apart, make it like pulled beef or shredded beef, and then mix some of the juice back in it. And I highly recommend eating these peppers with it too, the pepperoncinis. Those are just the bomb. But there you go. Really quick, easy, especially on a cold day. Set it, forget it, walk away, and have an awesome meal later. Enjoy.